Every tale hides a spark of inspiration. Welcome to the Inspire Tale. If you are not happy with your life, if you feel that others are luckier than you, that they have more happiness, more blessings, while you were left with nothing, then listen to this story carefully, because it can change the way you think. There was once a crow who was not happy with his life. He complained, "My color is black. I'm not beautiful. Nobody likes me." One day he was sitting on a tree branch crying. Below the tree, a wise old man was praying. A teardrop from the crow fell on his shoulder. The old man looked up and saw the crow crying. He asked, "Son, what happened? Why are you crying?" The crow replied, "How can I not cry? What kind of life is this? My color is black. Wherever I sit, people chase me away. My voice is harsh. Nobody likes me. Nobody wants to keep me. It's better to die than to live like this." The old man gently said, "My son, you should be happy with what you have." But his words had no effect on the crow. The crow kept crying. Finally, the old man asked, "Tell me, if you could live your life again, which bird would you want to be?" The crow immediately said, "If I had the chance, I would become a swan. Its pure white color is so beautiful." The old man said, "All right, but first, go and ask the swan if he is truly happy with his life." The crow flew off excitedly and reached the swan, who was gliding gracefully in a lake. The crow said, "Swan brother, what a beautiful life you have. Pure white feathers swimming peacefully. People love to see you. You must be the happiest bird in the world." The swan sighed and replied, "Happy? Who told you that I'm happy? Look at the other birds, all of them have such bright, colorful feathers. But me, I have no color at all. In the water, I almost disappear. The lucky one is the parrot. He has colors, he can speak. People adore him and keep him in their homes. If only I were a parrot." The crow was shocked. The swan isn't happy either. So he flew off to find a parrot. After searching for a long time, he finally found one. The crow said, "Parrot brother, what an amazing life you must have. Beautiful feathers, a red beak, a sweet voice. People call you Mithu Mithu. They feed you treats, everyone loves you. You must be the happiest bird alive." But the parrot sadly said, "Happy? Not at all. My life is worse than yours. People catch me, clip my wings, and lock me in a small cage. I can't even live freely. The lucky one is the peacock. With his colorful feathers, he amazes everyone who sees him." The crow, once again surprised, decided to go and meet the peacock. He found him in a zoo. Children were laughing. People were clicking pictures, admiring the peacock's beauty. The crow said, "Peacock brother, you must have the most wonderful life. Thousands of people come just to see you. Your feathers are so colorful and beautiful. You must be the happiest bird on earth." Tears welled up in the peacock's eyes. "Happy? No, my friend. My beauty is my curse. Because of these feathers, I am trapped here. People pluck them, it hurts me, but I cannot stop them. I live in pain. I cannot live freely. I have seen this entire zoo, and every single bird is caged, except one, the crow. The crow is free." The crow froze in shock. "Free? Me? I am the lucky one?" He flew back to the old man, his eyes filled with tears. "Babaji, I want to stay a crow. I am happy as I am." And then he flew away. But this time his flight was different. This time he was proud of being a crow. The lesson, friends, the biggest reason for our sadness is comparison. We keep comparing our lives with others. We see what they have, but ignore what we already possess. So don't compare yourself with anyone. There is no one else like you in this world. Stay happy with who you are. And every day, learn something new, think something new, do something new.